Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how you can inspect your BMW 300 series coolant level, because this stuff is really important that we check this coolant level, and for that job use protective leather gloves, and we have to open this cap hat, and there is German rule that we have to measure that when engine is cold or cold. It is like cool engine. Do not measure that in like hot engine, because this liquid expands and that we might have this measurement defect and issue. Okay, and how this thing really happens? This is good to do this service and coolant level check in mornings before of our day, because engine is cooled down, and we need to only open that in this way, that cap hat, and do not be worried if you can hear some sound, because normally there is some pressure inside in here. Okay, no any sound today. And then we have to take this cap hat away, that one, and we can install this cap hat in this service table. What is in here in BMWs, there is really nice table in here. And then this measurement, it is so fun that kids like to do that, and there is only thing that we have to check, that this top, that thing is like up. Yes, and it is up. And if this is like down, then we can see that now we have low amount of this coolant in here, and we have to add this coolant so that this measurement stick is in like up. And then if we are really wise, we can look into the inside, and we can see there this liquid in here. Yes, there is liquid. And of course, how we add this coolant? Firstly, we have to go to purchase, like BMW cars sales service desk, this high quality coolant liquid. We need this liquid because if we add water, then our engine becomes rusty, and in the winter time our engine goes crack and broken. And that's I recommend this coolant antifreeze concentrate, and this is like formula outstanding long life, even 5 years. And remember that Valvoline is best brand in these coolant liquids in USA. And we really open this cap hat when we add now this coolant liquid, and we add this coolant liquid so much, so long, that this red measurement stick comes out. Now this is like only demo in that way, and so long that this measurement stick goes totally out. Look, this is like easy like water drinking for kids. And there is no any risk if you overfill that, because there is nice road line in here. If we overfill, then extra coolant goes out. And this is nice German BMW engineering. And final part in the service is that I install this cap hat, and remember to rotate that enough long time. Here is also great BMW patent, innovation patent, that when this is ready we can hear click sound, and then this arrow is in here. Can you see? This is nice German engineering. The name is Made in Germany Engineering. Very nice. And look this click. Not yet. There's this click sound. Now, listen. Okay, now lines are okay. And now this service is ready. And do that service at least annually, or if you like to be professional man, do this in monthly basis. And here is also our windshield washer cap hat, and we can add in here this special windshield washer liquid also. And here is oil cap hat, and here we add this engine oil in here also. Nicely, 3 things are in here. And here we have oil filter cap hat when we replace oil filter. Okay, thank you.